guys! For today's video, meron ulit tayong problem about central angle and its intersected arc. But this time, we just have to find for the value of x. Okay, so let's try. What will be the value of our angle x given tayo nitong arc which is 70 degrees. Okay, since we know that the central angle is equal to the intercepted arc, at ito, yung central angle natin, ang intercepted arc na ay 70 degrees, it follows na itong central angle will also be 70 degrees. Okay, since nag-intersect yung ating dalawang diameter, yung opposite angle na na-form is called the vertical angles. Okay? Remember that vertical angles are equal. Pareho din sila ng measurement. So, dahil itong angle na to at angle na to ay vertical angles, at ang vertical angles ay equal, kung ito ay 70, ibig sabihin, ito din ay 70. So, the value of our x is 70 degrees. Okay, now, how about if this arc is 125 degrees? What will be the value of x? Okay? Pa-solve nito ha, and then pa-answer. And don't forget to follow for more math videos. And remember that sharing is caring. Bye!